This line that you see here tracks global interest in Bitcoin. It's basically a proxy for how much attention the asset is getting. And right now, that interest has fallen to its lowest level in the past 6 months. In fact, we've only seen sentiment this low 4 other times since the 2020 pandemic. Right here, 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 and here. If we look at what these moments correspond to on a chart of Bitcoin's price, we see that it formed a local bottom and rallied shortly after in each of those instances. But this time, interest is falling while Bitcoin is climbing, not declining. To us, this is a sign that we're not in a euphoric crypto market like we saw, for example, in 2021, when interest in Bitcoin was surging. Today, interest in Bitcoin could still pick up, leading to an acceleration of inflows into the asset, and hence pushing price higher. Of course, the big caveat is that in order for investors to reallocate their capital to an asset like Bitcoin, uncertainty needs to come down, whether that is economic or geopolitical uncertainty. You see, Bitcoin is an asset that thrives on certainty. Investors are only willing to allocate to young and volatile assets like Bitcoin when they feel confident about the broader market environment. When they feel uncertain, they tend to move away from risk assets like Bitcoin and shift towards defensive positions like cash or gold. We can see this relationship by looking at a chart of the US Stock Market Volatility Index, also known as VIX. This index reflects how much volatility options traders are expecting at any given time. It tends to rise during periods of heightened uncertainty, when traders are anticipating a sharp market move, like in these instances highlighted in red. And it tends to decline and remain low when market conditions are more stable and confidence improves, as seen by these green boxes. Now, if we put Bitcoin's price on top, we see a clear pattern. When the VIX is rising, Bitcoin tends to perform poorly. And when volatility expectations drop, Bitcoin often enters strong uptrends. Recently, the VIX has been falling since the Liberation Day sell-off. But as you can see, over the course of the last year, we've seen volatility steadily rise as a result of tariffs, and now an escalating conflict in the Middle East. This has been preventing a larger rotation into Bitcoin from occurring.